Tapescript 3.8.1.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Coach!
As you all know, we have a match on Sunday against Sisabat High School. Now you all know that it is important to eat properly before the game. If you eat more fruit and vegetables, your body will feel healthier.
But I like to eat a few hamburgers.
If you eat too much fast food, you will feel terrible. You won't feel healthy if you eat too much fast food. You all know that it's very important to stretch your muscles before and after the game. If you stretch your muscles before the game, you will get fewer injuries. If you are injured, you won't be able to play.
Can we eat a big breakfast?
No, don't eat too much before the game. You will feel sick if you eat too much. Eat plenty of protein the night before the game. If you eat plenty of protein, you will have more energy. It's also important to get plenty of sleep. If you don't go to bed early, you will feel tired. If you feel tired, you won't play well. If you don't play well, we won't win the game.
How often are we going to practice this week?
We will practice playing football every day. You won't win the football match if you don't practice every day. The game will finish at 11:45 a.m. Afterwards, we will all come back to school on the bus. We have a new football kit to wear on Sunday. If you haven't had your new football kit yet, let me know and I will give it to you. You won't be able to play if you haven't got your kit. Okay, that's it for now. Good luck on Sunday.
Thanks, Coach!
Against. Against.
Properly. Properly.
Healthier. Healthier.
Stretch. Stretch. Muscle. Muscle. Injuries. Injuries.
Afterwards. Afterwards. Kids. Kids.